So as mentioned, this paper, it's so different from any blotting paper you'll ever use because of the quality. It's called Abura Torigami. It's very thin and it's very comfortable on the skin. Some blotting paper are thick and they don't lift oil. Let me show you. So this is what I do when I'm traveling, or even when I'm not traveling. I just want to quickly freshen my face. It works so nicely. It doesn't lift off my makeup. It literally just take off like some of the oil. I can get really shiny, but you see my T-zone? Instantly it lifts without lifting off my face powder. It's just a very quick way to refresh your makeup throughout the day, especially if you have long days, meetings, or if you're just running around errands, feeling sweaty, just anything in that line. This is your lifesaver. You got to check this out.